Okay, so right here. So this is an example of what a Dubb video would look like if I send it out by email. Now you'll notice it's a repeating 3-second animated GIF of what I'm looking at. And what I did here was I took a screen recorder with Dubb, where I'm the bubble on the screen on my computer, and I'm showing some of the properties here. And now you'll notice I'm repeating the same kind of motion. It's engaging. Hey, if there's some movement to it, you hit record with a Dubb video, you're going to get this. Now, this is one style that works really well right from your computer. Another style that works really well is this one right here. And this was recorded with the Dubb mobile app. So imagine you have that property, you're out in front, and not only you're showing it, you're using a function on the Dubb mobile app that's picture in picture, which has been very popular with a lot of real estate professionals and people that are in the industry in terms of showing a property and being very informative. Now, this is much more attractive, something like this or something like this, to get by email instead of just a link where you can't see anything. So that's the first part of it, is understanding that, wow, this is really great. And then when you click on this, it's going to take you to a customized landing page. David, you can still see this, right?
Yep, certainly can.
Customized landing page called a preset in Dubb terms. It's built so easily, right on the fly within Dubb. And what you'll have is your branding right up here. You'll have a little image behind the video player, the video you've recorded to the person that you're sending it to, and then you have a playlist of videos that will play right after it. And the great thing about a playlist is that if I was reaching out to David in this video, I can focus on David, the property, and then when the video is done, a video about why someone should want to work with me, the experience that I have, minute or less, you record that video one time, and it's going to play right after the video you've created. And it saves your breath. You don't have to repeat yourself 10,000 times, and someone's getting more information. You can even have video testimonials that play right after that. And then below here, you have your buttons. What do you want someone to do when they're done consuming the video? They're called CTAs, calls to action. Do you want them to book a time in your calendar? Do you want them to check out more properties, check out a website? Do you want them to download a document or a guide? Do you want them to fill out a physical form? Do you want them to email you, call you, text you? All kinds of options down here for them to take that action. And then we even have an AI sales assistant that's part of these pages, which you can, and we have a whole training on this from a high level view. You can have FAQs that someone will answer. You can have questions that they can ask, because we have found out that with an AI on the page, and let me just show you this real quick. I'm going to switch let me just switch the pages here.
Okay.
1 second. I want to show you this. Share.
And you guys, that page is customizable, so it's very easy to go in. If you're promoting a video to vacant property owners, you can have your page set up one way. If you make another video for cash buyers and you're marketing to cash buyers, you can have a completely different tabs and forms and everything on there. You don't have to have the AI. You can have the AI write all of it. So.
Yep, exactly. And then you can see the screen right here that I'm on now, right? The landing page, David?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. This one right here that I'm moving around. All right. So on here, you'll notice these FAQs over here with SIA, the Sales Interactive Assistant. They can click what is Dubb, and then when it says that, SIA is going to give an answer, like you see right here. And it says at the end, could you please provide your email address? Now, so SIA can be a collection of information. Now, if you already have their email, their phone, all that great stuff, SIA can push for whatever your call to action button is. So SIA can give an answer and then say, are you ready to book a time with Rob? And it's so easy to educate SIA. All you have to do is provide website links, and you can even upload a PDF into Dubb. So that is what the landing page looks like, this customized preset where they land there and now they can take an action. Now, all of that is tracked within Dubb. You're going to know if they watch the video, what the views are, what the actions are. So you can follow up in a smart way.